Good job. Where does it go?
Right here.
Good.
About A. A.
Good job.
A.
Where does the A go?
Right here.
No, try again. That's close. Try this one.
Try to one. About H.
I think that's an N.
Uncle.
No, try again. No, try again.
Okay.
Try over there.
E.
That is P.
About. No, it goes. No mine.
This one goes here.
Oh, that one here?
Yep. Try another letter. What letter is that?
A.
R.
Or. Up in an article. An article.
Well, what shape does it look like?
H. A. Now, a hand.
That's close. Try the next one.
Like one. Oh, yeah.
R.
Or.
How about B?
Yeah, B.
Where does B go?
Here, B.
Good job. How about
H.
no? I.
I.
Good
Yeah.
job.
Now, put here.
Close. Try again.
Okay. About this.
Try again.
Try again.
How about up here somewhere?
Oh, yes. Oh, yeah.
How about right here?
Oh, yeah. I have it here.
Good job.
Or.
It's a P.
P. Okay. This is R right there.
That is an R right there. Where does the P go?
Yes.
Are you going to put the P away? No? Next letter? What letter do you have?
Oh.
Oh, good job.
Oh, yeah.
Where does the O go?
Yeah. Oh, right.
Good job. Mama, help. It's kind of turned. Good job. What letter is that?
P.
No.
About.
A U.
Oh, you. Yeah.
Where does it go?
Right here.
Very good. Put this one.
Yeah. That one.
V.
C. Yeah.
V.
Free.
Good job. What letter is that? G?
G. Yeah.
No, that's a Q.
Q.
That's
Yeah.
where the Q goes.
Q goes.
G goes over here.
Oh, in here?
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
What about this one? What letter is that?
I.
L.
Oh.
Where does the L go? You're so smart.